How to make money with Shein affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about Shein affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Shein affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Shein that allows you to earn commission by promoting Shein products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program, known as affiliates, receive unique tracking links that they can use to promote Shein's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. Most of you guys know what Shein is with various products. Over 2 million items constantly are on their store, and they're constantly coming out with new fashion products. And Shein has become one of the largest and the most popular one in the web store. That's why I can say you have more chance to earn money by being affiliate in this program in Shein. But the question is how we can sign up. As you can see, there is here no link to get to Shein affiliate program. So what you can or what you have to do is using the website called cj.com. This website will help you to join and become an affiliate program in Shein. CG Affiliate, for people who don't know, it's a leading global affiliate marketing network that connects advertiser with publisher to promote products and services. And CG got a lot of brands, and Shein is one of the partner. So to more understand and get information, you can just read this information over here, and then you will get information about platform solutions, partnerships. As you can see here, we have 4 partnerships: advertiser, publisher, agency, influencer, resources, and about us. And if you want to get started, you can just click over here or scroll down and you will get to these two section. We have here advertiser, agency, if you're gonna get started as advertiser and agency, and sign up if you wanna sign up as a publisher and influencers. So this is the one you gotta choose. You can click over here, sign up, and it will let you to this page. As you can see, you need to select which language you have or which language. As you can see, we have here different languages, and you should select which country, and then you will write your email, your password, you can confirm your email, and then you need to verify your email by sending to you email. Then you will confirm it by sending to you a link, and then you will get to your account. After accepting terms and conditions, you have to activate your account by adding user information, completing profile, adding property, submit forms, adding in payment information, answer for this question. As you can see, there's a few questions and you will select your answer just to set you on the right path. So let's start with added user information by clicking here. So here you can add your first name, your email, title, password, and all what you need to for your personal information, last name, phone, status, operator is if you are operator, analyzer, or link user. Then you confirm your password as I said. Then you will select general communication and advertiser communication. You can select 3 of them or 1 or 2, and the same thing for general communication, and then you will click here save to move to the next one. So the next one is completing your profile. You will just select over here, and then it will lead you to description by writing a description. So all you have to do is click here edit, and then you will tell the potential advertiser why they should consider your website for this program, and then you will click save to move to the next one. Then you will add a property, so let's select over here. All you have to do is click here, create a property, and then you will select the one suits you more by defining your property. Is it a website, social, email, mobile app, browser extension, services and tools, paid displayed ads, paid search engine marketing, or you don't have your property type listed here. Then you will define your promotional model, content blog media, campaign deal, product comparison reviews or discovery, loyalty, and whatever. So you will choose the one suits you more, and the one you will work on it as affiliate, and you will name your property, and then you will describe it. This is an optional one, and the same thing for the tag, it's an optional one. So let's see over here. Let's choose one if you didn't understand. So here we have social media. You can utilize your social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter. So let's look over here, for example, and you will select the platform, and you will select the one, and you will user handle all, link to profile, and then you will share affiliate links along with engaging captions, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. Then you will click over here, submit, and then you will move to the next one. And then move into submit form. You can just click over here. So here you can fill in your organization name, postal code, address, country, phone, city or town, fax, state, province or country, function, currency, language, date, format, and then you will click here, save. And as I said, you will just enter the questions, and then you will select to activate your account. Then let's move to how to find the links of Shein. So you will click over here, partner, and then your advertise or my advertiser. So as you can see here, we have uh, uh, research of advertisers. So let's click over here. All right, GM. As you can see, this is it, and then you will select all, and then you will click on search. So as you can see, this is it. So all you have to do is get the link or apply for this program, and then you will can earn money by earning your commissions by sharing or promoting Shein's products. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.